When you go to edit your weekly landing pages, if they're already created, it might be helpful to choose View All Pages to find and select the correct one. Start the process of editing your weekly landing page by choosing Edit. Be sure to include the title for the week. Remember that if at any point you change the title of the page and you've already linked the page to the navigation bar on your home page, you'll want to update that navigation bar to reflect the page with the new title. If you've changed or retitled your home page, you'll need to relink that here as well. Include an image at the top of the page that illustrates the topics for the week. The image can be any size, like this one is, but if you'd like a banner image that spans the width of your page, you'll need to make it 1100 by 330 pixels. Underneath the image, you'll want to type or paste a brief introduction to the week's topics. Remember that when pasting content in over placeholder content, you'll want to put your copied content into plain text format to avoid formatting errors that could impact accessibility. Notice that the template already has an accessible and screen reader compatible format in place. The weekly landing page template already has a spot for learning objectives, links to your class sessions or recorded sessions if you have a synchronous component, readings, lectures, quizzes, activities, and assignments. Part of the purpose of having a weekly landing page is to ensure that your students can easily access the course content. Laying it out for them in a consistent scrolling manner on one page ensures that they don't have to dig around through files or accidentally miss lessons or resources because they've mistakenly navigated to the wrong spot. If you'd like to add a section that doesn't currently exist on the weekly landing page, use the Rich Content Editor to establish the correct heading style. If you don't need content on the templated page, just highlight and delete. Always remember to save your progress. And if you find you don't like the changes that have been made, you can always go back in time by access the revision history and restore the version you prefer.